Hi all, here's how I made my cheap vacuum pool cleaner. First I bought the cheap Intex kit with a brush and a net and of course a pole and the cheap plastic vacuum pool thingy, which should be attached with a garden hose, which should be attached to the garden hose. But I didn't like the idea of having a lot of water and then use tap water to vacuum my pool, so I bought a Chinese motor for I think $12, which I attached to the garden hose, and I soldered a lot of cable to the thing so that I don't have to use the garden hose in the pool, which connects and then it doesn't work, which actual cable doesn't have that problem. So this is how it works. As you can see, it worked quite well. As for soldering, I used of course solder, and after that I used glue and put how do you call it, wire wrap or something around it, and of heat shrink around it, and I shrunk it, and the glue came out on both sides. So it's absolutely watertight, and that's for the transformer. If you have a waterproof transformer, that's fine. If you don't, be careful and use a very long cable so it doesn't get into contact with water, which could be quite disastrous. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.